Hello and welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. On account of a fast-growing viewership from industry players across the world, our advertising rates have been revised higher with effect from November 1st, 2018. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Mumbai-based RM Plastic Industry. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices plunged on Tuesday after OPEC cut its oil demand forecast for 2019. Brent finished at $65.47, a plunge of $4.24 per barrel, while WTI traded at $55.69, a tumble of $4.65 per barrel. According to Vandana of Vanda Insights, crude futures had paused for a breather in early Wednesday trade in Asia after suffering steep losses in the West the previous day. The fourth successive downward revision in 2019 global oil demand forecast in OPEC's November oil market report released yesterday heaped additional pressure on crude prices. Open spec naphtha prices on Tuesday dropped at the $537 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a day-on-day fall of $7 per metric ton. Moving on to the Asian market update for PPE and PVC. In PP this week, prices in the Far East and Southeast Asian regions fell by $15 to $30 per metric ton. Prices slipped as demand continued to remain bearish in the region. Weaker upstream energy and propylene values coupled with a sharp fall in PP futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China further supported the price drop. In India, PP prices edged lower on the back of weaker regional buying sentiments. In PE, HDPE prices in Far East Asia tumbled by $40 to $60 per metric ton, while in Southeast Asia, prices of HDPE dropped by $15 to $30 per metric ton. The sharp price drop was mainly on account of bearish upstream energy values, persistent weaker demand trends coupled with sufficient product availability. In India, prices of HDPE declined by $10 to $20 per metric ton. The price fall was attributed to ample product avails and bearish buying sentiments in the region. In the Far East and Southeast Asian regions, LLDPE prices drifted lower by $5 to $25 per metric ton. Reports of persistent dull demand trends and weaker upstream costs together supported the price fall in the region. In India, LLDPE prices slipped by $15 per metric ton amid poor demand trends and sufficient product availability. LLDPE prices in the Far East and Southeast Asian regions declined by $5 to $20 per metric ton this week. The price fall was triggered by a sharp drop in LLDPE futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China. The price fall was further supported by plentiful product avails, bearish upstream costs and persistent sluggish buying interest in the region. In India, LLDPE prices this week dropped by $15 per metric ton. Reports of continued weaker demand trends and plentiful product availability pulled LLDPE prices lower in the region. In PVC, prices of PVC in China, Southeast Asia and India remain steady. The purchase pulse remains stable in the region. In market rumors, most market players are of the opinion that PP, HDPE, LLDPE and LDPE prices are likely to be reduced by 1 rupee to 2 rupee 50 paisa per kg basic by domestic producers this week. PVC prices will be rolled over. PET prices are also expected to be decreased by 3 to 4 rupees per kg basic. PS prices may be left unchanged or reduced by 1 rupee 50 paisa to 2 rupee 50 paisa per kg basic. Polymerupdate has introduced news and price analysis on Amazon Alexa virtual assistant using Echo and other devices. The platform lets subscribers check latest news and prices just by asking Echo or any other Alexa-enabled device. This is the first of its kind on Amazon Alexa, so do read the kind of questions that you can ask to Amazon Alexa about Polymerupdate. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Mumbai-based RM Plastic Industry, a leading manufacturer, distributor and trader of plastic products. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It's Wednesday, November 14th. This is Simran Choudhary. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.